fraction like this and thought, oh, what it is. Or maybe your math teacher wrote something similar to this on board and you just nodded your head, pretending to understand everything. Well, my friend, today we are going to discuss about algebra's greatest blow-ups, rationalizing the denominator. Well, it's not just a simple mathematical rule, it's a method to the madness. So come, let's dive into the madness with me, Arshita Gaurav. Firstly, we'll discuss some basic terms like what are rational numbers and what are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Means it will be non-terminating and non-reoccurring. So an irrational number will go on forever and ever and ever and they don't repeat also. And now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed in the form of q, p by q, and p and q both are integers and q is not equal to 0. Means they are simply 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3, 3 by 4, 0.75, 0.333333. It is going on forever. But still, it is the number 3 is repeating continuously, so it will be counted as a rational number. Now basically, what is rationalization? Rationalization is the process of changing irrational denominators into rational denominators by multiplying with a suitable number. So how we'll find out what is that suitable number or rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factors are the numbers which we multiply to get the root out of the denominator. So let's take an example. We are taking an example of 1 by root 2. So from what we multiply 1 by root 2, that root will get out from the denominator. We will multiply this by root 2 by root 2. But why only root 2 by root 2? Because root 2 by root 2 will cancel out the roots and root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Boom! A rational number. That's all we need. So here it will be, the answer will be root 2 by 2. So a question will arise in your mind. What's the need to do rationalization? Why we need to learn the concept? So during ancient time, people were not roaming here and there with having calculators in their pockets. So rationalization was invented for making the calculations easy and less time taking. Just think about it. You are dealing with an irrational number as a denominator and doing endless long divisions. No, thank you. Now let's solve a few questions. Here is question number 1. Root 5 plus 1 by root 2. The denominator is same. So we will multiply this by root 2 by root 2. So here it will be root 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 2. This is our answer. This question you guys will also solve with me. So take your swords out and grab your notebooks and solve this question. So as you can see, what I did is here root 20 was there. So how 2 came out? Well, we'll simplify 20 by doing LCM. And as we learned in grade 8 in square roots and cube roots, that if that 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5, and if it's root 20, then here will also be root and 2 will get out. So root 20 can be written as 2 root 5. So check your answer whether it is correct or not and comment down your answers. So rationalization is not something to make your life harder but to make your life make your math more cleaner, clearer and easier to deal with. So that's it for today. This was Ashita Gaurav signing off.